Take 5 for health and safety. Take 5 minutes for an aspect of health and safety. This is Jackie Cambridge from Cambridge Safety, taking 5 minutes to just talk to you about the Nebosh Construction Health and Safety Management Certificate Qualification. This is the current version of the construction certificate for the UK. If you're thinking about undertaking this particular course, this video is going to talk to you about the qualification itself and how we run it at Cambridge Safety. The construction certificate is made up of a number of elements, and those elements are subdivided in the handouts that we provide. The first element introduces construction safety and covers the construction design and management regulations in some detail. We talk about some of the management aspects of managing a construction project effectively: safe systems of work, permits to work, risk assessment, monitoring health and safety standards, and accident investigation, to name a few. As well as looking at the management of construction projects, the qualification also covers some specific aspects of construction safety, things like excavations, demolition, work at height, electricity, fire safety, noise, vibration, etc. And to be able to undertake your assessment successfully, you need a good understanding of not just one of these elements, but all of them. The construction certificate has one assessment that you take. It's an open book exam. It's known as the CN or CN1. It's an open book exam which is available every couple of months at set dates set by Nebosh. An open book exam means it's an open book. You can look at all your books and all the course material while you are doing your exam, but it's not just a matter of copying and pasting. Everything that you put into your exam must be your work and your work alone. The open book exam that you do will have a case study, and then you'll have a number of tasks to complete on that case study, including a practical risk assessment. And basically, you're going to look at all of your study, all of the underpinning knowledge that you've gained from working through the course material, and you're going to need to show the assessors and Nebosh that you can apply that to a realistic situation. So this is not a qualification that you can just click your way through, skim the handouts. You need to have a good understanding of the whole range of the syllabus to be able to undertake the course assessment. You get given 48 hours to complete your open book exam. It's not expected to take you that long. It should be taking you approximately 8 hours, but you have a 48-hour period where you complete your assessment and then upload your paper to Nebosh for marking. If you study with Cambridge Safety, we provide a talk course, which is the best option. You get the tutorials, you get an opportunity to ask questions, and you also get to interact with other students from other parts of the construction industry where you learn from them as well as the tutorials. The talk course that we run at Cambridge Safety is 9 days long, and then you have 2 days to complete your assessment. We appreciate that everybody can't sometimes attend the tutorials, so we also have an e-learning option and a distance learning option. The difference between e-learning and distance learning is e-learning, all the information that you need is on our online portal for you to access at any time. Distance learning, you actually get your package in hard copy to work your way through. You need to be systematic to work your way through. This is definitely not a qualification that you can just, put your feet up and not work through. You're going to be expected to put in at least 110 hours, whether you do it by e-learning, distance learning, or taught. We will provide you with everything that you need. You don't need to buy any additional books or study material. You'll have handouts, one for each of the course elements, a set of key points that summarise the key issues from each of those elements. We'll ask you to do an end of element review after you've done each element so you can check and we can check that you're on track, and you'll get feedback on your answers. However you study, we'll give you a revision package with some real case studies to work your way through, so you'll know exactly what's going to be expected of you by the time you get to your assessment. And for our students, we have an extensive library of podcasts and videos to support this qualification. So we'll give you as much as we can, but equally you need to be making sure that if you commit yourself to this qualification, however you decide to study, you need to be putting aside at least 110 hours to complete this package. In 2023, this qualification was updated by Nebosh so that it now meets the requirements for CSCS Advanced Qualified Persons Card and Qualification as well. If you want more details on our courses, please have a look online at www.cambridgesafety.co.uk or give us a ring. Our website has course dates for our taught courses and all the prices for our e-learning and distance learning packages as well. Thanks very much for watching.